In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste on Pictory. If you've been exploring the world of AI video editing and found yourself curious about how to seamlessly duplicate scenes within your projects on Pictory, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to make your video editing smoother and more efficient. First, let's get started by heading over to Pictory AI, the go-to platform for AI-powered video editing. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. If you haven't already set up an account, you can easily do so, but assuming you have, simply click on the friendly Continue with Google option. This allows for a quick and easy login without the hassle of remembering yet another password. Just confirm the Google account you want to use and you're in. Now that you're logged into Pictory, direct your attention to the top navigation where you'll see the Projects tab. Give that a click. This is where all your saved work and projects are housed, making it easier to access and organize your video editing endeavors. Once you're in the Projects area, you'll see a list of your videos. Find the project you're currently working on or the one you'd like to edit. Right beside each project, you'll notice three little dots. They might seem small and unassuming, but they hold the key to more options. Click on those dots to bring up a drop-down menu. One of the options you'll see there is Edit Project. Go ahead and select that. With the project now open in edit mode, you'll spot a section labeled Story in the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Story to access all the scenes within your project. This is where the magic of editing truly begins, as you can modify and enhance the flow of your narrative or presentation. As you browse through your scenes, identify the one you'd like to copy. Perhaps there's a scene with perfectly crafted visuals or precisely timed narration you want to reuse or build upon. Click on the scene, it will highlight, confirming your selection. After choosing the scene, you'll see an option to duplicate scene. Clicking this option will create a copy of the selected scene, allowing you to make adjustments without altering the original. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining consistency while experimenting with different effects or transitions. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a scene within Pictory. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and duplicate your content, making your video editing workflow on Pictory as seamless as possible. Thank you for watching and happy editing.